So people have altered the atmosphere by a side effect of other processes for a long time. I mean, we've made climate change since the invention of fossil fuels, although obviously most of it is only contributed in the last few decades. And we've polluted the atmosphere and changed it in many, many ways that atmospheric chemists can understand. But the difference in thinking about solar geoengineering is the idea that we would do something deliberate. The idea that we would do something that was meant to offset another effect, and we would be trying to change the atmosphere in some direction that was ultimately a human choice. I think everybody feels uncomfortable with it. I think it's really healthy that people feel uncomfortable with it because it seems hubristic in a sense to do it. But I think there's really two sides to that coin. The other way to think about it is that by taking responsibility for the planet we're in a more deliberate way, we're likely to treat it better. So one way to think about it is to, as Bill Clark once told me, that we're in the gardening business with this planet, whether we admit it to ourselves or not. By humanity being forced to or ending up making deliberate choice about the climate instead of just altering the climate by this indirect process of getting cheap energy and polluting it, I think it's quite plausible that people take more responsibility and think more about things that they're in charge of.